Okay, we're picking up at part 7. We were discussing trustee, a beneficiary who had lost his inheritance to the trustee who deferred and his attorney, William John Rogers, out of Petaluma. So there was a trial date for the beneficiary's petitions that he didn't get his share, and neither did his sisters, which he didn't. Though they've been lying about him, saying that they had received it. So the guy found an attorney, and then they went to the judge and said, I have an attorney who needs a 30-day extension. Well, Attorney Rogers called up that attorney and told him that the user didn't accept the settlement, and then Rogers turned around and filed something with the judge and saying he's not going to represent this guy in the case, so there's no sense in giving him a 90-day delay. So then the guy recorded the conversation with the attorney, and he said, I didn't tell him that. Anyway, so that's where we're at here. The user was forced to face a motion for judgment on the pleading. What ended up happening was then the judge didn't grant the extension because Rogers lied and said that he talked to the lawyer. That's breach of attorney-client privilege. The user was forced to file a motion for a judgment on the pleadings against the user's trust contest brought by attorney Briar Horn, who previously signed a 12-page settlement agreement on behalf of the abandoning wealthy daughters, releasing the trust from all claims. The user, who filed a disqualification motion in the probate case, RP221-20163, Alameda County Superior Court Probate Division, against the motion for judgment on the pleadings, arguing that the daughters, who this attorney is representing, who never saw their father in 6 years of cancer, the man's brother, and had no standing to challenge the user's trust contest due to a 12-page settlement agreement signed by the same attorney, Briar Horn, law license 330-219, releasing the trust from all claims in exchange for purchasing the entire trust property at 1810 Grant Street for $82,000. Parcel number 57206-530. It's missing there. The disqualification motion was scheduled for April 19th, 2024. Okay, we've got to wrap this up, but removed from the calendar and never ruled on by the court. Never ruled on. How do you like that? A vexatious litigant designation based on false evidence. During the probate proceedings, the user, acting without legal representation, filed petitions to protect his rights before trial, his sisters too. Shortly before the trial date, the user dismissed 9 out of 10 petitions without prejudice, preserving. Okay, we will continue this in the next video because I got 3 seconds left.